Hi, for part 2 of light, we'll go more in depth regarding the refractive index of light. Okay, from the last tutorial video, you will learn that sin theta 1 over sin theta 2 is equals to n2 over n1. So, this video will introduce to you a new formula which n equals to c over v, where c represents the speed of light in vacuum and v represents the speed of light in medium. So, if you sub this equation into the previous equation, you get sin theta 1 over sin theta 2 is equals to the velocity of light in the first medium over the velocity of light in the second medium, which equals to the wavelength in the first medium over the wavelength in the second medium, which equals to n2 over n1, which equals to nr. Okay, so there are three more terms which you should be familiar in the topic of light. Okay, the first term is termed as retroreflector, where the incident ray is being reflected back to its original source. Okay, the example that I can think of would be the eye of a cat, where you shine a light at night into the cat eyes, and the light will be reflected back to the torchlight. Okay, the second term will be critical angle, where the light will hit the medium and form a reflected ray of 90° with the normal. Okay, the third term will be termed as the total internal reflection, which is just like a normal reflected ray, where you just hit the medium and will be bounces off the medium. Okay, so one example you can see here is air and water, where the light didn't travel past the medium but it get bounces off the medium. Okay, in the upcoming video we'll do more example for refractive index as well as critical angle and total internal reflection. Okay, and this is one good example that you should know how to draw, which is the refraction of light. Okay, the standard example will be a straw in a cup, where the straw will be put through the water, and you can see the straw shallower than it should be. So the pink color line you see here should be drawn as dotted lines. So dotted lines is normally termed as an indirect ray, where bold line or a straight line will be termed as a direct ray. So you can see that the ray is being reflected off the tip of the straw to the medium, and it will be refracted back to the eye. Okay, and the pink color line shows that where will the straw be diffracted, the ray. So instead of straight, it will be slightly tilted towards more to the medium. So this is why the straw will look more shallower than it should be. So this is a good example where you should learn how to draw the example, and you can apply it in exams as well as explaining the question itself. So that's all for this tutorial. We'll have more examples in the upcoming videos. Thank you.